What is Miroku and why we are using it? So Miroku is just open source tool. It's located here in MetaBgen infrastructure repository. And this tool is the set of application and automated tools to implement this infrastructure on top of ECA. It allows for developers to deploy infrastructure without DevOps with limited knowledge of auth and cloud tech extremely efficiently use AWS resources. So ECS is mainly like Kubernetes, but a little bit simpler. And compared to Kubernetes, Kubernetes is a set of open source tools when you have a wide variety of options to choose on any place for that. So ECS is limited, so it's utilizing AWS native tools to do the job. So this is the architecture, how it looks. So ECS cluster. Automatically, Miroku creates connection to Git repository, so the CI/CD scripts can deploy Docker images to ECS and restart services inside ECS without having AWS keys. So it's managed through OpenID Connect identity. Now, what we have here, we have ECS cluster with backend service with number of instances. It could be like another services, the schedule service, including the cron job or service which run by events coming from EventBridge. Analytics service, open policy agent for authorization. We can run Aurora service with regular RDS, native observability tools by AWS, open telemetry collector could be optionally embedded in their Docker image as a sidecar. The same principle is in Kubernetes. So basically we get into Docker images, getting them together and deploy as one entity. This is open telemetry collector, which could work with your backend and collect and deploy telemetry to AWS observability, to CloudWatch, X-Ray, or to your tools as well. We have some default alarms rules, creating watch groups, X-ray tracing, everything automatically. So, simple notification services, S3 setting up, email service setting up, secret manager to keep environment variables. And for example, when we instantiate the Aurora servers, we automatically create a password to access their database, and this password is automatically saved to secret manager. So in front of ECS, we have the reverse proxy. Optionally, it could be Amazon API gateway or application load balancer. The domain created automatically in Route 53, creating certificates automatically for you, everything up and running. User authentication system, here it's Clerk. You can embed anything using JWT tokens. So this infrastructure is pretty simple. But if you start to do that, like using regular AWS console, it's going to be extremely painful to set it up properly. To do that, we created the scripts which help you create, manage, update, and observe your deployment in AWS without the complexity of native AWS tools.